Now that we've explored many of the organization, sorting, and filtering options available in Lightroom, we can move on to making image adjustments using various methods, starting with the Quick Develop panel. On the right side of the Lightroom interface, we have the histogram here at the top. We'll explore the histogram in much more detail when we get into the Develop module. In this lecture, we'll explore the Quick Develop panel, which we haven't yet discussed. Quick Develop allows us to apply a variety of preset adjustments to one photo or a group of photos. If you don't see the Quick Develop panel, just right-click on any heading on the right side and make sure there's a check mark next to Quick Develop. Generally, it's a better idea to work with Quick Develop mode in Loop View because we have access to a larger workspace. Let's select an image that we'd like to make adjustments to and go over to Loop View. I'll go ahead and select the first image here. Now I'm going to click on Loop View. With your Quick Develop panel expanded, we're ready to start applying some presets. Click on the Saved Preset menu, and you'll see a number of preset options available to you. Say for example, we wanted to give this image an aged photo look. Well, Lightroom has a built-in preset for exactly that purpose. In the menu, go to the Lightroom black and white filter presets and select Aged Photo. You'll see the image now looks discolored and much older. When we apply another preset from a different category, the original adjustment is still preserved. For example, say we wanted to add rounded corners to this image. Click on the menu and go to Lightroom Effect Presets and select Rounded Corners, either black or white, it doesn't matter. And you can see that the image retained our original preset and added the round black corners on each edge of the image. Now say we wanted to add a third preset. Click on the menu again, and this time go to General Presets and select Auto Tone. So now we've added 3 presets to this one image. The list goes on and there are many different presets you can apply. If at the end of all your adjustments you feel unsatisfied with the result, simply go back to default settings to revert to your original image.